Take a ride in the 2016 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock brakes, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, USB connection. Your new ride is just a phone call away.